Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You open YouTube Studio and immediately link Analytics 4. This gives richer event data. Start by setting a 28-day baseline for views, watch time, and subscribers so you have a reference. Once done, filter to your top 5 videos by impressions and click-through rate to spot early patterns. You want to act quickly on what's already working. Make sure to note traffic sources and device split. Those details shape your first A/B tests and thumbnail or title tweaks. You dive into audience retention and mark the exact timestamps where viewers leave. That tells you which moments to tighten or cut. Then compare traffic sources, suggested versus search versus browse, because each requires different thumbnail, title, and intro strategies. Once you segment by device, country, and subscriber status, you can test targeted changes like shorter intros for mobile or translated captions for top countries. Make incremental changes and run each test for a full cycle against your baseline. You implement controlled A/B tests on thumbnails and titles for 1 to 2 weeks, measuring CTR and watch time per impression so you know what truly moves the needle. Next, prioritize videos that lift subscribers per day and allocate promotion budget or end screen links accordingly. Once you have wins, roll successful elements into similar videos. If performance suddenly drops, restore the prior assets immediately and run smaller, incremental tests to isolate the cause. This quick rollback protects overall channel momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.